Yeah. So let's start the class, guys. This will be the 5th lecture. Yeah. So we stopped at these two questions, right? On, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So what's the answer for the 31st question? Have you solved it? Dimpu, Pawan?
Okay.
No, no Dimpu?
I'm solved it, sir, but I didn't understand that.
Okay. Pawan, what about you?
Solve 1 minute, sir. Check 1 second.
Okay.
See, sir, answer.
See, okay, very good. Ela chesavu, Pawan, how did you do it?
సార్ అది రఫ్లా చేస్తాను మొత్తం అది స్క్రాప్
లేదు,
లా
I mean,
అయిపోయింది.
tell me broadly, అంటే ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్ వాడేవు అన్నది. See, ఇప్పుడు in this we can use two concepts. Like first concept we can try to use the properties, right? Last time I told you how to use properties. You can consider A union B union C as a set X, and then you can use the properties, right? But that will become a lot, right? Because the calculation, all that will become lot, right? So in order to do this question in a simple way, what we'll do is we will take the help of the Venn diagram, right? With the help of the Venn diagram, we'll try to solve this question. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, you have to be very careful while drawing the Venn diagram. Right. So this is the universal set. Okay. So first A union B union C. So A union B union C means it's clear, right? So what is I'll use this correct, sir. I'll use this entire thing, right? So whatever is in A union B union C, this entire part we will get as A union B union C. Okay. Now intersection, the best thing about this question is he's asking for the intersection, right? Intersection means I have to take the common thing. That's it. Okay. So before I calculate A intersection B complement intersection C complement, first I'll draw C complement because that is easy for me. Okay. So let me draw C complement with, let's say I'll take green color. Okay. So C complement, this is C. So everything except C, right? So all this will come, right? So this will also come. This will come, but it will stop here only. This will, right? This entire, this entire, this entire, this entire, this entire, right? This is my C complement. All right. Now I have to, I need A intersection B complement C complement. A intersection B complement C complement is nothing but whole complement. Again, I have to take a complement, right? This is nothing but A complement union B union C. Okay. A complement
Yes.
union B union C. Okay. So for this, let's take some. Okay, let's take this color, blue color. Okay. So B union C means this entire part will come, right? B union C, this entire part, right? This entire part, and also this entire part will come with B union C, right? This entire part will come B union C. Now A complement union B union C. A complement means out except A, this entire will come, right? So inside A will not come, right? So this already have anyway we have put. So all this, this, so this, all this will come, right? Now we have to look for the common part. What is common part? The place where all the three colors are coming. What is the place? This is the only place, right? So this and this B1, right? B, no, this place, right? Only this, in this place, all the three colors I'm getting, right? This entire B, but here I'm not getting this cross colors, right? Because C. So what is that? Is it A intersection B? No, because in A intersection B, I'll have A. I'm not getting A here, so this is wrong. Is it A intersection C complement? Again, A intersection C complement means I'll get this A part, so that is also wrong. What about B intersection C complement? B intersection C complement is what we want, right? C complement is exact outside, B is this thing. So here we will not get C, that part we are not getting. So this is what we will get. Understood, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is how Venn diagrams will help us in solving the questions. Okay. All right.
Okay, sir.
What about 32nd question? Have you solved it? Anyone? 32nd. I explained the logic, right? How to solve it.
Yes.
చేశారా డింపు?
నేను ఆప్షన్ ఏ అనుకుంటున్నాను సార్.
ఓకే. పవన్
32nd చేయలేదు సార్.
చేయలేదు, రాలేదా? అంటే ట్రై చేసావు కానీ రాలేదా?
ఎస్ సార్.
Okay. So first let's try it to understand. Okay, let ABC be three sets. Okay, again we have to solve this with the help of Venn diagram. So three sets A, B and C. And X be the set of all elements which belong to exactly two of the sets. Ante element ela undali ante exactly it should be with two of the sets, right? So this I'll name this, right? This A, B, C, D, E, F, G. ఓకే. సో ఏ పార్ట్ అన్నది ఓన్లీ సెట్ ఏలో మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది, అంటే అది ఒకే సెట్ లో ఉంటుంది, విచ్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ద సెట్ ఏ. సి పార్ట్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ద సెట్ సి. G part is only in the set C, right? C part is only in the set B. G part is only in the set C. So this is not what we want. What do we want? See, look at B part, right? That is this part. This part is exactly in two sets, right? It is in set A and set B. So we want B part plus we want D part, right? So we want D part and also we want F part, right? So we want B plus. Now we have to see which is this equal to, right? So let's take first option, A intersection B. A intersection B means I'll get this entire. B intersection C means I'll get this entire. C intersection C means I'll get this entire. So when I take union, I am getting all three of them. That means the middle part E is also coming, right? So basically A intersection B means B plus E. B intersection C means F plus E. And C intersection A means D plus C. So I'm getting B plus F plus D, but I'm also getting the intersection part, which is E, but I don't want E. So this is not the right option. Okay. Then I look at, I'll leave option B because delta I'll look at in the last case. Okay, I'll look at in the last case, right? So then I look at option C. A union B. A union B means I'll get all of them. A plus B plus C plus, right? This entire part I'll get, right? So D plus E plus F. A union B. B union C means again I'll get. So I have to take the common part of all the unions. So what will be the common part of all the unions?
E.
So let's see. Okay, so B union C, right? What is B union C? B plus C plus E plus F plus D plus G, right? So all this. What is C union A? C union A is this one. A plus B plus D plus E plus G plus F, right? A, B, D, E. This lies in C, right? And this lies in D. Now, what is the common between all these three of them, right? What is the common? Can I find D? Okay, D is common. Then can I find A, B, C? I cannot. A can I find? First of all, let's go from A. Okay, can I find A? No, in all three of them I cannot find. B is here, B is here. So B I can find. Then C I can find here, C I can find here, C I cannot find here. D can I find? D and D. Yes, D I can find. So D I have already written. E can I find? E. So E already I'm getting.
Yes,
F
sir.
also can I find? Again, this is also not correct. Pawan, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, right. So even option C is wrong, option A is wrong. Now we are left out with two options, A delta, B delta C and A union, B union C minus A delta, B delta C. Okay, so let's try to look at what is A delta, B delta C. Okay, fine. So what is A delta, B delta C? Right. First of all, B delta C is what? It is B union C minus B intersection C. Yes or no? B union C minus B intersection C. Okay. So what is B union C minus B intersection C? This is B unions. B union C is this entire thing minus B intersections means I have to remove these things, right? So what will I end up getting when I remove the common part? Right, I'll get B plus C, right? B plus C plus when I remove the common part, I'm getting D plus G, right? B plus C plus D plus G is what I'm getting for B delta C. Now A delta B delta C, right? A delta B delta C. Now how do I visualize this? Right. Let's say now that means with A, I have to take, so this will become A union B delta C minus A intersection B delta C. Okay. A union B delta C minus A intersection B delta C. Right. So union of A and B delta C. Right. What is union of A and B delta C? B delta C is, I got it already, B plus C plus D plus G. Right. Now union, right? Union with A. Right. So I'll get again A, I will get D is already there. I'll get E as well this time. Right. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus G. Right. This is my A union B delta C. Understood, guys? Still here?
Yes, sir.
Pawan?
Yes, sir.
Minus A intersection B delta C. Right. What is the common part between B delta G? That is B plus C plus D plus G and A. What is the common part? B and D is the common. Right. Other than that, there is no common part. So this is minus what? Your A, sorry, common part is B plus D. Right. Now what is this? This is nothing but B plus D when I remove. What will I be left out with? I'll be left out with A plus E plus G. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is my A delta
Yes,
B
sir.
delta C. But is this what we want? No, we want B plus D plus F. Right? No, here we made a mistake. See, we had, so this is B, D and cancel. What are we left out? We are left out with A plus C plus E plus G. Right? A plus C plus E plus. So this is not the answer because our answer is B plus D plus F. So what is the last option? A union B union C minus. So what is A union B union C? A union B union C is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G minus what is A delta B delta C? A plus E plus G E plus G. That is what we found. So this minus this. So A, C, E, G, A, C, E, G will get cancelled. What am I left out with? I'm left out with B plus D plus F, which is my answer. So option D is my answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Nimpu అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Nimpu, your voice is not clear.
Yes, sir.
ఓకే ఫైన్. ఇది మళ్ళీ చేయాలి మీరు. ఓకే, జాగ్రత్తగా నేను ఎలా అయితే చెప్పానో స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ మళ్ళీ అలాగే చేసుకోవాలి.
Okay, sir.
All right, so we are completed with this sheet. Let's go to the next sheet now. Just a minute. All right. Okay. So this is the next chapter. Cardinal number of sets. Again, already we know what is cardinal number of sets, right? That's the number of elements contained in the set, right? That we call it as cardinal number of sets. Okay. Now, what is, right? So here there is a condition. If A, B, C are finite sets and U be the finite universal set, then n of A union B is n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection, right? Now, how do we say this? So what he is basically saying is number of elements in A union B is equal to number of elements in A plus number of elements in B minus number of elements common in A and B, right? So this is what this statement means. Now, how can we prove this? We can prove this with the help of Venn diagram, right? So let's say we have the Venn diagram A and B here, right? So again, let's follow the same approach, right? So let's name this A, let's name this B, and let's name this the common part as some X. Okay. Now, first of all, what is the number of elements in the A union B, right? Number of elements in the union B. That means total elements. That is nothing but A plus X plus B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, how can I write A plus X plus B, right? So I will write as n of A union B equals to A is nothing but total number of elements of A minus number of elements of the common part, right? That is A intersection B. So this is nothing but n of A, that is total elements of the set A minus n of A intersection B. Yes or no? ఈ మొత్తం ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ లో నుంచి ఈ కామన్ పార్ట్ తీసేస్తే నాకు మిగిలేది ఈ ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్సే కదా, ఓన్లీ ఏలో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్సే కదా,
Yes, sir.
right? This. Now what is X? X is nothing but the number of elements in the intersection, that is common part, which we already know, that is n of A intersection B plus what is B? How can I find B? From total elements of set B if I remove the common part, right? సో మొత్తం n of B లో నుంచి కామన్ పార్ట్ ఏముంది? X అంటే n of A ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ B. ఇది తీసేస్తే మనకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుద్ది? ఇక్కడ ఒక n of A intersection B, ఒక n of intersection B plus minus will become 0 and I'll be left out with n of A union B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. All right. So 33rd problem చేసారా?
Yes, sir.
Right. So
Yes, sir.
in a group of 65 people, 40 like cricket, 10 like both cricket and tennis. The number of persons liking tennis only and not cricket is, right?
35.
Right. Okay. So total 65 people. So mali same. Cricket C anukundam, idi T anukundam, let it be X, right? So total 65 people. That means C plus X plus T is 65, right? See, here I will not even use any formula. Just with the help of the Venn diagrams only I can solve this. Okay. 40 like cricket. So 40 like cricket. That he is not saying that only cricket. 40 like cricket. So this is total cricket, right? So cricket and the mandi C plus X is 40, right? 10 like both cricket and tennis. That means X, which is the common part, is 10. Right. So then what will happen? C will become 30 because C plus X is 40, X is 10, C will be 30 and T will be 25. Now what is asking? Number of persons liking tennis only and not cricket. That means he is asking only about T. So what is the value of T? It's 25. So that's our answer. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So next is Let's go to the next question. Let X be the universal set for sets A and B. Okay. Let n of A, if n of A is 200, n of B is 300, and n of A intersection B is 100, then n of A intersection A complement intersection B complement is equal to 300, provided n of X is equal to. Okay, fine. So he is saying that the set X is the universal set. Okay, X will be outside. So A and B are the sets in this universe. Okay. So outside, let's call it as some X. Okay. Inside, this is A, this is B. Common thing is, let's say we see. Okay. So n of A is 200. N of A means this entire thing, right? So A plus C is 200. N of B is 300. That means B plus C is 300. N of A intersection B is 100. That is C is 100. If C is 100, A is how much? 100. B is how much? 200.
200.
Right. Now he's asking n of A complement intersection B complement. What is A complement intersection B complement? A union B whole complement. Right. What is A union B whole complement? It is nothing but universal set minus A union B. That's it, no? Universal set minus A union B. That means n of A union B complement will be n of X. X is the universal set here. That's why I'm taking n of X minus n of A union B. Right. Now we don't know. He said that n of A intersection B complement B, A complement intersection B complement is 300. Okay, so this is 300 is equal to n of X is what we have to find. N of A union B. How many total elements are there? A plus B plus C. A is 200, B is 100, and C is also 100. So total 400, right? So this is 400. Therefore, n of X is 300 plus 400, which is 700. So option B is our answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Pawan, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు
sir.
ట్రై చేశారా లేదా?
Try చేసాం.
చేసాం.
రాలేదా?
వచ్చినాయి సార్.
వచ్చేసాయి, sir.
డింపు ఇది వచ్చింది కదా, ఆన్సర్ కరెక్ట్ వచ్చిందా?
Sir.
ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. All right. If A, B, C are finite sets and U be the universals, finite universal, then n of A minus B is n of A minus n of A intersection B. అంతే కదా? ఇది స్టేట్మెంట్. ఓకే, సో స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏం చెప్తున్నాడు అంటే ఏబి సెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రైట్? ఏబి సెట్స్ లో ఏ మైనస్ బి అంటే ఏంటి? ఇదొక్క పార్టే కదా ఏ మైనస్ బి అంటే, రైట్? A but
Yes,
not B, right? So this is nothing but what? Total A minus identi, the common part. This is common part, right? A minus A intersection B, right? So therefore n of A minus B is n of A minus n of A intersection B, right? So this is the statement. All right, let's go to the 35th question. If n of If AB are two sets such that n of A minus B is 24, n of B minus A is 15, n of then of union B, right? So again, A, B, C అనుకోండి. n of A minus B అంటే only E part, that is A is given as 24. n of B minus A, that is B, sorry, C, only E part, that is 19. n of A intersection B, common part B is 11. A union B means all the parts must be added, that is A plus B plus C, right? So 24 plus 11, 35, 35 plus 19 is 54, right? So options.
yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir.
So these sort of problems are really important in mains and MSET context, okay? So mains, you can expect one question, and MSET you can question 3 to 4. MSET you can expect 3 to 4 questions, okay? All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
All right. So this question, let's solve. So now it is three sets, right? A, B, C, right? Then we'll have n of A union B union C is n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of, again, don't try to attempt the proof, because proof is nothing. Proof is simple, right? What we'll do is we'll consider B union C as one set X, and then we'll write that formula, and then we'll expand that using distributive property and all that. So don't worry about the proof here. Okay? Solving the problems is the most important. Okay, let's try to solve this problem. Okay, in a city, 3 daily newspapers ABC are published. 42% of the people read A, 51 read B, 68 read C, 30% A and B. Simple numbers plug in చేయడం అంతే. ఓకే, సింపుల్ నెంబర్స్ ప్లగ్ ఇన్ చేయడం ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. కానీ ఒక్క ట్విస్ట్ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ వన్ ట్విస్ట్? హియర్ సెడ్ దట్ 8% of the people do not read any newspaper. 8% of the people do not read any newspaper. అంటే ఇది ABC న్యూస్ పేపర్స్ అయితే, ఇది మన యూనివర్సల్ సెట్ అయితే, బయట ఉన్నది ఎంత అంట? బయట ఉన్నది ఎంత? 8%. అంటే from this what I can understand? From this I can understand that what is A union B union C percent?
8.
82, sir.
92%, right? Because 8% is outside, total is 100%. 8% is outside, so the A union B union C will be 92%. Therefore, we'll have to use n of A union B union C equals to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so n of A union B union C is 92%. So 92 equals to number of A, that is 42, plus B is 51, plus C is 68, minus 30% read A and B, minus 30, minus 28% read B and C, minus 36, plus n of A intersection B intersection C is what we have to find. Right? So if you simplify this, you'll get your answer. So this will be 92 equal to, so 42, 51, 93, 93, 153, 8, 161, right? So 161 minus 30, 28 is 58, 58, 30 is 88, 88 plus 6 is 94, right? Just a minute. Yeah, so 94, right? 94 plus x. Yeah, so what will this be? 92 plus 94 minus 161 is x, right? 92 plus 94 is 186. 180 minus 6 minus what? 25, right? So the answer is 25. Understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So mostly you can solve all the problems with the help of the Venn diagrams. Okay, no need to remember all these big formulas. Okay, just if you get the logic of Venn diagrams, then you can easily solve that. Okay, if A, B, C are finite sets and U be the finite unit, then number of elements in exactly 2 of the sets, right? Exactly 2 of the sets is what we did just now, right? So exactly 2 of the sets means, so this part, right? So if this is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So exactly 2 parts means B plus E plus F. So how can I write B? B is nothing but A intersection B minus A intersection B intersection C, right? So because A intersection B is B plus D minus A intersection B intersection C is D, right? So B plus D minus D is B only, right? Then again, A intersection C minus A intersection B intersection C. Again, B intersection C minus A intersection B intersection C, right? So this becomes your n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection C plus n of A intersection C minus, oh yeah, 3 times, right? 3 times n of A intersection B intersection C. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right? So again, there is no need for us to remember the formula, right? But what you should understand is, when he is saying exactly in 2 of the sets, you should know what he is talking about, right? All right. So next we have, if A, B, C are three finite sets and U be the universe finite set, number of elements in at least two of the sets A, B, and C. Right? At least two. What do you mean by at least two? At least two means two or
Or two.
greater than two. Okay? At least two అంటే తక్కువలో తక్కువ టూ. ఓకే, మినిమం రెండు ఉండాలంట, మాక్సిమం మీద ఏం లిమిట్ లేదు, రైట్? సో అట్లీస్ట్ టూ అంటే మినిమం రెండునే ఉండొచ్చు, లేదా దానికంటే ఒకటి ఎక్కువ మూడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, నాలుగు ఉండలేవు, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మూడు సెట్సే ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. సో అట్లీస్ట్ టూ మీన్స్ ఎయిదర్ టూ ఆర్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ టూ, దట్ మీన్స్ టూ ఆర్ త్రీ, రైట్? సో టూ ఉన్నది ఇప్పుడే మనం ఇప్పుడే ఫైండ్ చేసాం. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఇది n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection C plus n of C intersection C intersection A minus 3 times n of A intersection. No, 3 ఉన్నది ఏంటి? 3 ఉన్నది is nothing but my common part, that is 3, this one. What is this? This is n of A intersection B intersection C. So I have to add it one more time, right? n of A intersection B intersection C. When I add it, it becomes minus 2m. అర్థమైందా ఇది?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. All right guys, so let's stop it here. Try to complete these problems. Yeah, okay, these problems are all the problems. Okay, yeah, let's stop it here.
Okay.